Keeping your engine running smoothly starts with choosing the right oil filter to protect your precious vehicle. First up, we have the Motorcraft FL500S, which is the gold standard for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury owners. This filter solves the worry of aftermarket compatibility because it's the only one officially recommended for these specific vehicle brands. It features a design engineered to screen out microscopic abrasives, helping your engine meet today's demanding longer service intervals without breaking a sweat. Since it's tested under extreme conditions, it's perfect for drivers who deal with heavy traffic or harsh weather. If you want to maintain your factory warranty and ensure a perfect fit every time, this is the one to grab. Imagine doing your own oil change and knowing the part matches exactly what the factory installed on the assembly line. Next, at number 2, is the Toyota Genuine Oil Filter 90915 YZAZ N1, specifically designed for Toyota and Lexus enthusiasts. This OEM filter eliminates the guesswork of finding a part that maintains your manufacturer's specifications and warranty requirements perfectly. It utilizes an advanced filter media that captures harmful engine-damaging particles while ensuring your oil flow remains consistent at all times. The heavy-duty housing and high-grade construction mean it won't fail you during the entire service interval. This is a must-have for anyone who takes pride in maintaining their Camry or RX 350 with original factory parts. You'll appreciate the standard threading and simple installation process during your next weekend garage project. Now for number 3, we're looking at another Motorcraft staple, the FL820S engine oil filter. This vehicle-specific part is the direct OEM equivalent for a wide range of older Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury models that require a precise fit. It solves the problem of finding a reliable, high-quality replacement that matches the original factory flow rates and filtration standards exactly. This filter is ideal for the DIY mechanic who wants a high-quality product that is guaranteed to fit without any modifications or leaks. Because it's built to Ford's rigorous standards, you can trust it to keep your engine clean between scheduled maintenance cycles. It's the peace of mind you need when you're cruising down the highway on a long road trip. Coming in at number 4 is the WX 57060XP, a powerhouse filter specifically engineered for the demands of synthetic motor oils. This filter solves the issue of standard filters breaking down under the high heat and extended drain intervals associated with high-end synthetic lubricants. It features a next-gen synthetic blended media that is 99% efficient at 23 microns, providing superior protection for vehicles like Chevrolets, Jeeps, or Dodges. If you frequently tow heavy loads or deal with constant stop-and-go city traffic, this is the upgrade your engine deserves. With its ability to handle up to 20,000-mile change intervals, it's a game changer for people who want to minimize their time spent under the car. You'll notice the robust build quality the moment you pull it out of the box for your next maintenance session. And finally, number 5 is the WX 57356XP, which brings that same high-performance synthetic oil protection to Honda, Nissan, and Mazda owners. This filter is designed to handle the extreme driving conditions of modern commuters, from long highway runs to severe weather. It uses a wire backing free synthetic media that offers incredible filtration efficiency without sacrificing oil flow to your critical engine components. This is the perfect choice for someone running a high mileage Acura or Infiniti who wants to push their oil change intervals to the limit safely. The precise fitment ensures a hassle-free installation, making it a favorite for both professional mechanics and home hobbyists alike. Using this filter means you're giving your Japanese or Korean import the highest level of protection available on the market today. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on these high-quality filters. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive maintenance guides. Drop a comment below and let me know which filter you're putting in your ride or what part you want me to review next. Keep those engines running clean, and I'll see you in the next one.